Good morning, y'all. I'm unwrapping the chocolate scones that we made. If y'all missed that video, I'll link it down below. It's kind of like a cake and a biscuit combined. It's a cakey biscuit. They're really good. The kids love them. Tyler ate one with some ice cream last night. Titus said these are almost like brownies. You know how sometimes you can make brownies and they're more of a cake-like brownie than fudgy and chewy? That's kind of how these are. They do taste brownie-like, so of course they're good. I like a fudgy and chewy brownie better than a cake brownie. I mean, if I want a brownie, you know, the chewier the better. I also like the edges of brownie. Okay, I'm getting hungry. I'm getting hungry. He's ready for Sunday meeting time.
I'm not trying to be Walker, Texas Ranger here. This is the best way for me to fix my hair. I know it sounds crazy, but this hat will make my hair go where it needs to go. I'm going Sunday meeting here. I got these shoes on right here that I bought from the Goodwill.
Yeah.
Oh, I bought them shoes at the Goodwill probably.
Show them why we figured they were at the Goodwill, because
one's different color than the other. Fallon's always, I don't care, they're the most comfortable shoes.
They're some kind of fancy brand. I mean, we only paid like, what, $8, I think?
$7 or $8.
$7 or $8 for them, but, and we kept trying to figure out, why are these at the Goodwill? And then when we got them real close together, apparently somebody must have put, what'd you say you think?
Shoe polish. Somebody
Yeah.
shoe polished them and they didn't do an even coat, and I've just left them
right.
match. They're very comfortable, and I don't care that they're two different colors. I got them at the Goodwill, and I'm proud to wear them.
Woo, these boots are cold. I left them out here on the porch. We got 4 down here.
Come here and see something. Come over here.
He's showing us lots of things. This is that tree we had to have cut down, y'all remember. I think it was back in the spring. Plenty of firewood, right?
Hey, Mom, I have something really amazing for you.
Got something amazing.
Everyone take all of these trees.
Yeah, they put some tape, didn't they? That's Jonah's tree fort over there.
Under here.
I think Sissy's fort fell down during all the rain, so she's gonna have to rebuild.
That one holds.
Yep, Jonah's held up, didn't it? This is really nice.
Yeah. Hey, Mom.
Oh no, here's Sissy's fort. It's over here. She had one on that other side, and I guess she started building it over here instead. They got some nice forts out here. You gotta build you one, huh?
I already built.
Oh, you did? This is all the extra wood they were using here. That where you're gonna build yours? You gonna live next door to Jonah?
Yeah. Come over here, Mama.
Okay, I'm coming.
Chickadees come here last time.
A chickadee did? Yeah, I think we gotta refill it. They've cleared it out, huh?
Yeah, chickadees are fast, Mama. I'm over here. My climbing tree.
That's a good climbing tree, huh?
Yes. And I can balance on it.
Mm-hmm. It is time to meal plan. So we're gonna look through some of our magazines and cookbooks. This one is a church potluck magazine. It's one that I got from Ollie's a while back. They have great deals on magazines. This one was only $1.29. I mean, they're old, of course. This one's from 2022, but you know, these recipes will still taste good. Doesn't matter the year. That's a good thing to do with magazines, I mean, because they can be expensive. Like this one, I bet. Let's see how much it was originally. Oh, it's on the front. $13. We only paid $1.29. That's what you do. You wait and you just go to Ollie's. So I saw this in here the other day. It's cornflake coated bacon. Have y'all ever had that? It looks pretty good, but is it kind of like a bowl of cornflakes with bacon bits? That's what it makes me think of. I don't know. If y'all have had it, let us know. Now, they put stuff like ketchup and Worcestershire sauce, too. I don't know. Y'all, if it's good, we'll try it. Y'all let us know. These cornmeal pancakes look good. There's also some buttermilk chocolate chip pancakes. I think I'll put that on the menu for breakfast one morning. So I'm not gonna write the meal plan in my planner yet. I'm just gonna put it on a piece of paper and then we'll transfer it over to the menu on the refrigerator. I just wanna have my planner over here, that way I can look at the month and see any things, you know, like something that might be coming up, anytime we're gonna go out of town or anything like that. So when I meal plan, sometimes I already have a lot of ideas. Sometimes I don't, so I just look through magazines and cookbooks, and sometimes I'll make these exact recipes, or I'll just get an idea for a recipe from what I see and then just, you know, make something up with it. We have blue ribbon potato salads here. Let's see what kind we have. Spicy Cajun potato salad, roasted red potato salad, tropical sweet potato salad. That looks different. It has sweet potatoes in it, mangoes, red onion, and then chili powder, salt, pepper, Miracle Whip, Greek yogurt, pineapple. Oh no, I'm sorry, pineapple juice. And then serrano peppers. Should we try that? I just don't know about that one. Y'all let us know if you've tried that. Dilly potato and egg salad. Candy bar apple salad. I remember when everybody started making these, like these became the thing that everybody brought to church potlucks, church picnics, homecomings, whatever. If there was an eating going on, this candy bar apple salad was gonna be there with the Snickers and apples and all. Oh, speaking of Snickers, the other day when I got that grocery haul, we tried some of the Great Value candy bars. Have y'all seen these Great Value candy bars? This one is supposed to be like a Snickers bar, this one like a Kit Kat, and this one like a Twix. We're gonna give these a try and see if this, now I know what a Snickers bar tastes like. It's been my favorite candy bar since I was a kid. So we're about to see. Yeah, we're gonna do a taste test. One for Jonah, one for Sissy.
It looks like a Snickers bar.
One for Manny. Yep, it looks like a Snickers bar on the inside. It is very, very close. I can't tell if it's the chocolate or the caramel is not quite there, but it's extremely close.
It's a little bit yummy.
Yeah. Oh, this definitely does not look like a Twix. No.
Crunchy.
Yeah, it's crunchy. It's not terrible, but that one definitely, you would for sure be able to tell the difference between that and a real Twix. The Snickers bar was closer. Now we'll try the Kit Kat. Let's check the break on this. Okay. I would say the Kit Kat one is definitely the closest to a real Kit Kat. It would be kind of hard to tell. The wafer part and the chocolate tastes very close to Kit Kat, yeah. Kit Kat one is the closest. I think they had a couple of other ones, but I just got these three. The Twix, I mean, it wasn't terrible, but definitely not a Twix. So there you go. That is our review of those Great Value candy bars, which right now, I wish I had a Snickers bar. I like this candy bar apple salad, by the way. It's really good. Snickers with apples, it's great. I think we're supposed to have pretty cool weather, like not extremely cold, but I think we're only supposed to be in the 50s, like the low 50s this week. So I'm thinking tomorrow night, I'm gonna do a new chili recipe. It's called Country Cabin Chili. Biggest tip ever for meal planning. Do it when you are hungry because everything will look good and you will be able to meal plan very quickly. Look, I just want y'all to look. Spaghetti right here with sausage and peppers, exactly what I was making that night with the Italian dish that Titus did not love. And look, theirs has that pinkish color a little bit. I don't know if the camera's picking it up too good. Oh, what is this? Spinach beef spaghetti bake. That looks pretty good. Different kind of spaghetti. We might try that. A lot of times as I'm making the meal plan, I'm also putting in the grocery order so that like right now, if I decided I wanted to make this, I could go ahead and look at the ingredients, put them in the cart. If I'm not doing it at the same time, what I do is if I got the recipe from a magazine or a cookbook, I'll just write down beside the recipe, my handwriting, y'all. I just write so fast that Titus calls it print. It's print and cursive together, and he's like, what does that even say? But anyway, I'll write down the magazine or the book that I got the recipe from beside of it. That way I know where to go back and look to see what all I need for it. And if it's like from Pinterest or something, I'll write down the website. I probably won't be doing my grocery haul tomorrow. That's why right now I'm just kind of, you know, getting an idea of the meal plan. But if I were doing it tomorrow, I would be going ahead and putting everything in the cart as I was looking through stuff. Here we have some casseroles, cornbread taco bake. That looks pretty good. I think we just recently made a taco bake. I try to space stuff out. Like if we just did a taco thing, I'll wait a couple of weeks before we do another taco thing, or, you know, unless the kids want tacos. Like last week, they wanted cheeseburgers again after we just had the patty melts. Tuna mushroom casserole. I thought that was okra when I first saw it, but it's mushrooms. Peanut butter sheet cake. I've been getting requests for another peanut butter cake. This is the cream cheese sheet cake that we made. Oh my goodness, that was good, y'all. We might try this peanut butter sheet cake. I made that other peanut butter cake, you know, a few weeks ago. Carrot cake. This section was vintage sheet cakes. Lemon sheet cake. Oh, I thought about this one. Banana flip cake. We might try that banana flip cake. We'll add that to the desserts, the baking section here. Okay, I'm starting to want everything in this book, so we're gonna have to pause and eat supper, and I will finish this meal plan later on tonight. And now we will make coffee and hot chocolate. Supper tonight's gonna be a find what you want. I have lots of cans of soups and... Yeah, you wanna help?
Yes.
When we were out there earlier, I thought I saw a few little snow flurries. Still not sure if it was just, you know, sometimes that little tiny mist of rain can look like a snow flurry.
What are they?
That's the coffee beans.
Oh, coffee beans.
Somebody told me, y'all are gonna have to remind me, what do you do about the traveling bean grinder? Because this thing travels when it's, you know, grinding the beans. It'll be going everywhere. I put it on this little thing here because there's a little bit of a, you know, wood grain to this, and I thought that might keep it on there with the little rubbery things, but it doesn't. It just travels right off of there.
Now, what are we
8
making?
o'clock coffee beans. The
What are we making?
Colombian Peaks. We are making coffee and hot chocolate right now, and then everybody's gonna get a sandwich. You want a sandwich? Or a Hot Pocket or soup or something? Find what you want.
Hot Pockets.
You like Hot Pockets?
No, Ty.
Oh, Ty. Yeah, Ty loves Hot Pockets. Tyler ate 4 Hot Pockets at one time, that boy. We're gonna make the hot chocolate in the French press again. That was good.
I played bump bump with the bump bump.
It was amazing when we heard you playing that.
Yes. Did you hear me too?
Mm-hmm.
One time, my other shirt matched your pajama. Was so soft.